Good Tuesday morning? Yes, Tuesday morning, my friends. I had to think about that for a moment. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa with a look at what's going on as far as the weather system's heading this way. The next snow system is already off to the west and heading our way, and the one overnight is already out of the area. There you can see the snow that parts of southern Michigan, light snow, had overnight, shifting quickly to the southeast. We have a few spots of some lake effect snow right now, but it does look like those will be dying down. And then as we look westward, the next snow system already in the cards out to the west. And this one has always been expected to be the take a southern track, okay? So let's get into it and show you what's going on. We actually have three more snow systems on the way. Here's your computer forecast. Hello, S. Gail Hazel Baker. Okay, so here's your computer forecast. We're starting it at 7 o'clock this evening. Going Portland to Traverse City early Thursday M. What can I expect on the roads? You should be not in a snow system. How the roads are reacting is hard to say, but you should be not in a snow system at that point. All right, so here we go. 1 o'clock tonight. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Sorry. Light snow into the southern half of lower Michigan. 1 p.m. tomorrow and 7 p.m. tomorrow. Hey, good morning, St. Joe, Stevensville area. Philip, can't it be 35 with snow? It can be, but not now. Not with these systems. So it's a overnight and morning snow on Wednesday. Okay. Then we go through Thursday. Someone asked about Thursday, Portland to Traverse City. Nothing significant going on there. And then Friday, we'll watch for some snow. Friday looks a little more interesting. It's kind of a stagnant band along here. Warm air from the south, cold air from the north, a convergence band. And sometimes those hang there for 6 to 12 hours and provide a thin strip of heavier snow, and that's what I would expect somewhere in here, I-94 southward into northern Ohio or northern Indiana. Again, it's a southern half of Michigan snow. This is Friday night, 1 a.m. Saturday morning. Snow day for the kids again? No, I wouldn't expect it. Okay, so that's a Friday snow, and then we have another system on Sunday. Some have been watching that and saying, oh, the models are showing it's strong. They've backed off quite a bit as I anticipated, because you just can't have a strong storm system when you have storms coming every 2 days. It doesn't allow the storm to get enough kink in the jet stream, so to speak, to produce a big storm. Hey, good morning, my buddy Tom Lawrence there. All right, let's take a look at how much snow is on the way. Now, this is the one tonight, okay, and I would call it a 1 to 3 inch snow in the southern half of lower Michigan. This is the old run, a little beefier, and the new run, okay? Old run, new run, which is down a little bit. So I'd say 1, 2 inches, maybe a 1/3 inch along the southern border. Then we go into Friday's snow. And again, remember, that is mostly on the southern border. I would call that a 1 to 3 inch snow, maybe a little bit more right at the border. We'll have to keep an eye on this one, but it probably won't get too far out of hand. You might get a 4th or 5th inch somewhere. And then we go into the weekend snow, and the same deal. A couple of inches in the southern half. Good morning, Tom Lawrence. And there you can pretty much see it. The track of 1 to 3 inch snows across the southern half of lower Michigan. The farther north you go, the less snow up to the Traverse City area. A little if any up to the UP, little if any except for a few lake effect spots. And then, okay, here comes the naysayers, Pete Atkinson. Okay, that means we'll get 12 inches because y'all never, oh, okay, there was an LOL after that. I get that. So, there you go. We have 3, what I would call light snows. Maybe at times on Friday you would call it a moderate snow in the southern third of the state. I-94 southward. Could be a little tricky driving on Friday, but that's it as far as snowfall. And I will tell you that it looks like sometime next week the deep cold is going to let up and bring us back to 30, maybe 35 degrees or so. Matthew Cromley wants to know, what about Flint? I would say you're 1 to 2 inches tonight, 1 to 2 inches Friday, maybe an inch or 2 on the weekend. All right? So there you go. Have yourselves a great Tuesday. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Watch for posts on MLive. And if you can, when I'm on in the morning, share this live update with your friends. We like to spread the news, okay? All right. Bye.